Avondasset is a small but beautiful village midway between Warwick and Banbury. It's nestled on the slopes of the Burton Dasset Hills Country Park and combines spectacular scenery with the peace and beauty of a rural village. The village has 2 churches, a fantastic community-run pub and many annual events. I'm about to show you Drive Cottage, which is situated on just over half an acre plot. It's a beautifully presented Grade 2 listed property. It offers up to 5 bedrooms, has a south-facing garden and outbuildings. Follow me and I'll take you for a tour. You join me at the end of the tour of this beautifully presented property. If you would like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.